Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to stake USDC on Aave. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details. Like and subscribe. So as you can see, currently right now we are on the Aave.com main app. And so from here, you're going to make sure that you have connected your correct wallet, and you can do so by clicking on here, or it's going to show you just a button that says connect wallet. And as you can see, this is my main wallet right here with the blockchains that are attached with it. So from here, all you have to do is go to the main page for Aave, and then from here, going to click on the top left section where it says the three dots. And then from here, under the HGO, you can see the staking, and so click on it. And so from here, once you click on the staking, it's going to show you all the options. And so you're going to choose between your different methods. And so from here, as you can see, the very first option is stake USDC. So it's going to show you how much percentage, which is around 6.76% of the underlying. And so from here under it, you can see all the other options, but USDC is typically the first one. So all you have to do is click on it. And if you have any USDC that is attached to your wallet that you are connected to, you can complete stake. And then from here, you're going to choose whatever amount and you're good to go. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.